Hi, I'm Catherine Weber and I write the DIY column Living Space. And today we're talking about how to decorate around your door using grapevines. Now, if you're not familiar with grapevines, let me show you what they are. These are wild grapevines. Sometimes in Texas we call them Mustang grapes, other parts of the country maybe muscadine. But grapevines run wild all throughout the United States. This is pretty much how they look like when they're dried. Now, if you have some in your yard or on your property, maybe growing along a fence line, and you want to harvest them to make some crafts, this is a great way to get rid of all the vines and make your door look beautiful. So let's talk about a couple of ways and a couple of crafts that you can use using grapevines for your doorway. Now, a couple of the things that you can do is you can create like a garland that goes around the entire door. This is what I have created here. I'm only showing you a portion of it because it's so large. This is about 200 inches of grapevines that I harvested from my home when I was living in North Carolina. I had grapevines throughout the yard, so I just pulled them up, cut them to equal length that would go around the door. Now, if you wanted to do something similar, you could do that. Just cut your grapevines to approximately 190 inches. Now, if that's for a single door, and that will go from the bottom of the door over across the top and down to the other side. Now, if you have a double door, you're going to need to measure for your double door. But this one, I have a double door, and this one goes around the top and about a third or halfway down on either side of the door. It looks really terrific, and it's very festive. So let's talk about another project that you can do. Here is, let's say you don't have, so many grapevines to deal with. Now, you can make a simple swag. This is just some grapevines that are gathered, and they are tied together using some standard florist wire. Now, to do these projects, you're going to need some tin snips or some wire snips. You'll need florist wire, and you might also want to add some items to decorate your grapevine with, such as some dried flowers or fruits. You might also, this is one of the, talk about fast, get these leaf garlands. You can put these on, and with a little florist wire, you will have yourself a beautiful fall display. Now, of course, you can change this up for Christmas or any other holiday any time of the year if you'd like. But these are some terrific ways to decorate using grapevines. So there you have it, 2 different ways that you can decorate with grapevines around your doorway. This is Catherine Weber. Thanks for watching.